Around the world, lots of folks are on the hunt for manufacturers that can offer reliable, low-cost custom lock products. But with so many options out there, it's tough to know which one to pick. Today, we're going to take a look at the production process of a cabinet lock to talk about how to find such a partner. And we'll especially show you our strong capabilities when it comes to customizing products. This cabinet lock has a wide range of uses. It can keep cabinet doors, wardrobe doors, and even drawers securely closed in RVs, yachts, campers, and caravans. If you're familiar with these settings, you know that RVs can get pretty bumpy when moving. Regular locks often let cabinet doors swing open, and carrying a bunch of keys is such a hassle. Well, this lock solves all those problems. And the story of how it came to be is a great example of our customization skills. This cabinet lock has a wide range of uses. It can keep cabinet doors, wardrobe doors, and even drawers securely closed in RVs, yachts, campers, and caravans. If you're familiar with these settings, you know that RVs can get pretty bumpy when moving. Regular locks often let cabinet doors swing open, and carrying a bunch of keys is such a hassle. Well, this lock solves all those problems. And the story of how it came to be is a great example of our customization skills. A while back, a friend from Australia reached out to us. He really needed a storage lock for his RV. His main requirements were that it could handle the bumping of the RV without letting the cabinet doors open, and that he wouldn't have to carry extra keys. This wasn't just a matter of tweaking an existing product. For this specific need, our product engineers started from scratch, coming up with ideas and testing 8 different versions of the product. They adjusted the angle of the lock tongue, tested the tension of the internal spring, made sure the connecting rod was the right length, and checked that the whole structure could stand up to bumps. Each version had a clear goal for improvement. In the end, we launched this lock. What this means is, no matter how unique your usage scenario or functional needs are, we can create a custom product just for you, from the ground up. When it comes to customizing the look, our locks already come in 9 standard color combinations: brown base with pearl nickel head, brown base with chrome head, pearl nickel, all brown, all chrome, all black, all white, white base with pearl nickel head, and brown base with gold head. But that's just the start. We can customize any color you want. For example, a customer once wanted a matte black version. We didn't just get the matte finish right, we also used a special process to make the surface more wear-resistant. So, customization isn't just about changing the look, it's about making the product even better. We're also great at customizing materials. This lock usually has plastic parts with a zinc alloy connecting rod and lock tongue. But if your product needs to hold more weight, we can upgrade the lock tongue. If you need it to be lighter, we can use high-strength engineering plastic for some parts. Being able to adjust the materials like this means we can meet your specific performance needs and help you keep costs down. You won't end up paying extra for materials you don't really need. You might be worried that custom products won't be made as well. But actually, our customization process has even stricter standards. As soon as we get your custom request, we'll put together a detailed customization plan. It includes design drawings, material descriptions, performance parameters, a price quote, and the production timeline. Once you approve the plan, we'll make a sample for you to test. Only after the sample passes will we start mass production. During production, you can check on the progress anytime, and we'll also keep you updated regularly. Installing this lock is really easy. We'll provide detailed installation drawings that clearly show the 26mm hole size. Even if you're installing it for the first time, you'll have no trouble. And these drawings are adjusted for different custom versions. The standard hole size is 26mm, but if you need a different size, we can adjust it during production and change the installation instructions to match, so installation is always smooth. So, if you choose us as your lock customization manufacturer, you're getting more than just a product. You're getting a complete customization service. From discussing your needs and designing the plan, to making samples and mass producing, we can customize every aspect, from color and material to function. And every step is strictly quality checked, with clear progress updates. That's our core strength in customization. We meet your specific needs precisely, while ensuring the product is reliable and cost-effective. If you're looking for a lock manufacturer that really understands your needs and can handle deep customization, feel free to get in touch. We've been making custom locks for 14 years, and we use our expertise and careful attention to detail to make every product. We're looking forward to being your reliable partner.